some cucumbers, shredded carrots, and a simple olive oil based dressing, and you have got yourselves a delicious cucumber salad. And guess what, you guys? It is really simple to put together. Welcome back, everyone. So the first thing that we need to do is to go ahead and prep this cucumber. As you already know, cucumber is filled with water. So what you want to do is go ahead and slice it in advance, put it in a bowl and let it sit for a little while. That way all of this water can drain from the cucumber, so that way you don't end up with a soggy salad. So what I have in this bowl is what I did a few hours ago. I went ahead and took my mandolin slicer. I sliced up my cucumber, set it aside for a few hours just so all of this liquid, I don't know if you can see it, can drain from this cucumber. So you guys, what I'm gonna do is gonna go to the sink, drain off this liquid, and I'm gonna roll the footage to show you just how I slice this cucumber. Okay, so this is my English cucumber that has been rinsed and dried. So the first thing I'm gonna do is cut off the ends. Okay, now that that has been done, it's time to go ahead and slice this into thin circles. Now, if you don't have a mandolin, which is what I have, then you just have to take a knife, take your time, and then cut it into very thin circles. Just like that, okay? But again, I've got a very convenient mandolin here, and I'm gonna get busy. And look at that. Okay, and I'm going to continue until I get to the end. And we are at the end. Okay, let's go ahead and set this aside. I'm telling you guys, if you don't have one of these, this is definitely worth investing in. I actually believe I got mine from Sam's Club some years ago, but I do believe they also have these on Amazon. I find one that is a similar make and model. I will definitely leave that in my description because it took all of about 1 minute to get these results. Okay. All right. Now that these have been sliced, going to add a little bit of salt, which enhances the flavor of these cucumbers. And as you already know, cucumbers are a water-based veggie, so they are going to release a lot of water. And that's the whole reason why I like to go ahead and prep them in advance, just so I will give them the opportunity to do what they will naturally do. And then I can move on with preparing my dish. All right, guys. So good. Okay, I'm gonna put some plastic wrap on this. And off to the fridge this goes for a few hours. Again, the whole purpose is just so that these cucumbers can release the liquid, and then we're gonna move on to putting together our salad. Okay, everyone, now that my cucumbers have been drained, so at this point, what I'm gonna do is add in my carrots. Give this a toss. And you guys, not only does this taste really good, but it just looks good as well. Look at those beautiful colors. Let's go ahead and set this aside. And I am going to bring in my olive oil, okay, which has already been added to this bowl. And then we are going to make a very simple sauce. So to this, we're going to add our soy sauce, sweetener, rice vinegar, and some ginger powder. And give this a whisk. Okay. And this is well combined. And then of course what you want to do is just give it a taste just to make sure that it has a good level of sweetness and tang for you. Delicious. All right, you guys, bring back our cucumbers and our carrots. and add our dressing and give this a toss. And this is ready. You see how simple that was to put this plate full of deliciousness together. Let's give this a taste, Lord. I thank you. And you guys, and it visually just looks so inviting. You have just the right amount of sweet, that soy sauce, that ginger coming together in this olive oil based sauce, and then the freshness of the cucumbers and the carrots, you guys, they complement each other so well. This reminds me of an appetizer salad that you would get when you go to an Asian restaurant just before they serve the entree. I'm telling you guys, when you know the secrets, you can make it your own kind of special at home. Give this a try and let me know that you did by leaving it in the comments. I want to thank you all so very much for being here. Remember, you guys, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and enjoy.